Welcome all and welcome back to the Techness Corner, and finally the moment of truth. As you can see, this mic arm slash conventional stand for many different things, which can go rather high, surprisingly, in case I actually need to stand up for a change. Takes up a lot of space. Here. I can't open the drawers properly. I can turn around and essentially have it in the correct spot. Then also my couch over there, whoever's sitting there gets smacked through the side. So we'll have a look there. So smacked on the side there. And essentially it's time to replace it. Now, the best thing I can do is get a boom arm of sorts, which can either go from this side here or this side here. I've elected for this side here so that it doesn't break anything, just in case, and can be retracted back completely, hopefully to a stationary spot. So what I've opted for is within my budget. I was a little bit overzealous and I spent $99 for the item. You can get it for $69 through Amazon, for about $75 to $79 through Kogan, and varying upwards to $119 for the item. So it's in between, but because I didn't want to wait for delivery and I wanted to pick it up today, hence the sweat, because I rode my bike for a change, then we ended up getting it today for $99. So what is it? Let's grab the box, because she's a big boy. And it's a multi-joint adjustment studio microphone arm stand. It's made by Brateck. So if we stand up, you guys can see what I was dealing with on the way back. It's, 3/4 the size of me. But if we have a closer look over here, you guys can see the box there. Multi-joint adjustment studio microphone arm stand, Brateck. And yeah, let's have a closer look over here at what we're referring to. There it is there. So it's got a basic lock like that, which will go on the corner side over here if you have a look at the bottom image. And I'm thinking that's where it'll come out of, because there's a bit of a longer distance for it to travel and on an angle here, which I could probably make do, but I worry about smashing it into this panel here. But here I can always retract it back. There's further distance to the panel. There's less likelihood of it smashing anywhere. And it should just fit in snugly like so. Have you ever felt tired of squeaky, flimsy scissor booms? Brateck's MDS06-1 features a premium aluminium construction, internal springs and built-in cable management to provide you a studio-grade professional experience. The interior springs ensures an effortless full-degree adjustment, means you're covered for any application. With a 3/8 and a 5/8 universal thread ports, I need the larger port for that one. And pre-weighted arms is compatible with most broadcast mics in the market. No matter game, streaming, podcasting or broadcasting, this is a perfect solution for you, which will impress your audience a lot. So keeping that in mind, there's one problem, and that's it can only handle 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo, 1 metric kilo, and this is probably as heavy as a mic will get. So I'm hoping it's heavy, and it weighs close to a kilo. I'm hoping whether once we open it, it'll be weighted okay and will do the trick. So let us unbox the box. Alrighty, let's open her up. Okay, so she's not your true unboxing because I don't have the space to cater for it today. If we go back to the Worsa camera, you guys can get a semblance of what exactly you're in for if you get one of these. It comes neatly packaged, but I don't think honestly when it comes to, like, it's gonna take up some space. So packaging wise, completely neatly packaged in 3 sections. There's a box here, probably with the little nibbits. There is a multi-joint adjustment studio microphone arm stand MDS06-1, 1 kilo rated, and that is, with one hand, the instruction manual. And what we're going to do is essentially, there's a couple of nibbits here which you probably don't want to lose the weight, and I'm guessing another little turny thingy and a long screw. And with that in mind, we are going to set this up just here and come back to see the finishing product and evaluate it, guys. With the luxury of movie magic, back in a jiffy. So with a bit of sweating, we have pretty much set this up. I've given it a little bit of slack here and there, and she should be golden. I'll set her up in a position that is not too obtrusive for myself, and there we go. I think that's a good spot. If we put that to the front camera, you guys can see the beads of sweat on me, and we've got that sort of set up. It can't be put away completely in the fashion unless I let it loose. But if we go back to the larger cam, if I was to turn around now, I can simply go like so. People can sit behind. There's nothing obstructing any seating area, or considering the amount of space this takes up, guys, and I mean that on the base part as well, that's where it gets in the way. This conveniently from Brateck, this boom arm can easily be, and she's okay. It's my first boom mic, so I can't really compare it to anything, but yeah, guys, there we go. Got our boom arm set up. So guys, to be brutally honest, that was a quick, I wouldn't say tutorial, but a overview of the Brateck boom arm mic apparatus that we've got here. It costs between about $60 to $110 Australian dollars, so you shouldn't spend more than $50 for a good deal on one of these. And as you can see, it does the job fine. It's managing to hold one of the heavier mics available, and I can't really complain. I can't complain with it currently, because it seems to be doing the job really, really well in comparison to what I had. And the whole point is, I can open those drawers now. So perhaps this sticker can come off as well. Okay, that's a little better. And this sticker, tension adjustment. So that's that, guys. Multi-joint adjustment studio microphone arm and stand made by Brateck or Brateck, depending on how you want to sell it. And for 99 bucks, she's okay. I'm not complaining. We'll see how she goes over the next few months, and whether I enjoy it or not. I just have to be conscientious of this computer over here, which Yeah, you have to have enough slack on the lead for your mic lead. So yeah, that's it. My name's Seb Luca, and this has been another unboxing from the Techness studio. Peace out, y'all. Bye.